Yeah, let's go. Welcome back, guys. We are building the Prwn app. The app you are seeing here. This is one of the coolest things I've built yet. The Prwn app is already on its 15%. We started building it 7 days ago, so on last Friday. It's so nice feeling and working on it for the last 7 days. It's basically the AD I'm using for building this app. So this app is building itself. Let's see. I'll set more things here. To also see your chat. How are you, chat? In the right, you are seeing basically what I've built on the landing page. It's still in progress. It doesn't look so great, but not terrible. I'm still working on it. It seems like Max refused to be on the stream today. Okay, so let's see what we will be do today. It's like for the past hours I was building the Prwn web page, and it's looking well already. I'm also having some other things to set up, but it doesn't look too terrible, as I said. Oh, it seems like yeah. I'll need to have this section on the middle. I think the what's inside also should be on the middle. And then yeah, I really like it. Every agent in one grid, and it replicated exactly the same app we are having. I just gave him a screenshot. Okay, so I'll say to him what sessions will be. Oh, I'm already here. So centering alignment is now white space Y, because everything sits in one. Okay, what alignment rule should I lock in and write into the guide? Center most sections, left everything. Usually let me see. Usually test. Yeah, it's working. Usually after a left title, it will come a centered title. So let's dig into it and see where we need to push that. I'll explain to you a little bit right now. So for the you are the bottleneck, not the agents. You should have it on the middle. Then for what's inside, the same, it should be on the middle. I don't know how to do it on the what it feels like to run, because every agent next is exactly the same font size, and it doesn't recognize that this is a title because of the font being similar size. Then your agents, your tokens on one flat price should be on the middle. I don't want the build for section. I think it doesn't make sense into our design. And also, I don't know why you put the keywords in there. This is really bad for a landing page. This one is good. Okay. And the frequently asked questions also should be on the middle, but also the questions and everything should be on the middle. Okay, let's see again. Yeah. Who is this for? The tokens. Yeah, we will remove this section as well. This will be on the middle. This as well will be on the middle. Let's see. Let me switch back. Let's send to it. So I'm not using VS Code or Cursor. I also have a Cursor subscription, but I'm using Claude most of the time. And I think I will also try Codex, as we will have in the app as well. So you can also launch Codex agents from here if you want. So if I'm clicking here, you'll launch Codex agents, and every terminal you'll see, but I will replace the CO in the tile with actual logo. Let's send to the AI this thing. So where you are showing basically the Claude or Codex text in the tile of each terminal, you should basically put there the actual logos from Claude or Codex or OpenAI. You are having them into our application folder. Okay, and let's study how we can do multiple themes for the app, because this is also on my list. I have a request from one of my friends. So the app isn't just dark completely, but maybe some of you prefer a gray or a white, or depending. I actually prefer and I really like the dark, and it will be default. But yeah, let's see how we can do it. Maybe we can do some themes for Prwn app in the settings, and yeah, obviously it will be a new feature, but I want to replicate what VS Code did. Let's see how VS Code did to add the themes to the apps, to the app. And I want gray and other themes that VS Code has. So maybe some developers are preferring also white, also gray. And we want to be able to be switched from the settings tab in the right pane. Please, after you find how we can do it, sprint author, and let's give me a small prompt that I will run the sprint execute after then. So we'll be working in sprints today. Let's see what's there. That's exactly the kind of direct steer I need. Let me work from the actual page, not multiple choice. I'm logging, you're working. Let's also check, guys, if is streaming on right now or not, because I'm literally streaming right now. Let's see if the safe settings are in place. Let me show you, Max. I'm coming back. I'm just moving the camera to him. Yay! Max is on camera right now. He's not sad. He's really happy. His dad builds things, and then he will have to eat. So how should the provider marks look in the tile header? No official logo files exist in repo. I'll author clean SVG marks of the real Anthropic plus OpenAI. Monochrome. Show Claude's mark. Yes. Actually, I cannot write about it. Oh, I can press N. Oh, nice. Yes, but you have them in the project's Prwn web. Hopefully I wrote correctly, because I don't see what I wrote. Yeah, but you have the logos inside the project's Prwn web. Yeah, it got it. Perfect. So what are we building now? It's the web page. I'll show you right now what we are working on. Let me open the browser. Not this one. Oh yeah, this one. Let's see if it done the job. Let's pin this one. Let's close this one. Yeah, so this is basically what it builds today while I was out. It seems like it's nice, but we want to use the motion graphics. You also have the stream here. That's kind of nice. And if you click the watch demo, yeah, it opens for you. Nice. You are the bottleneck, not the agents. Yo, Chase. Nice seeing you here. How are you, brother? You run more agents that you can keep up with. Claude Code is one window, Codex is another, 2 more in Tmax. Your editor and browser off in their own apps, and you turn into a bottleneck. Alt tabbing to remember which agent is waiting for you. Yeah, that's something I felt on myself as well. Looks great until now. What are you building, bro? What are you grinding on? One window, every agent, sessions that survive, perfect. Cross vendor by default, run Claude Codex side by side, each one the login you already paid for. We plan to also integrate anti-gravity CLI. And maybe we will also do the cursor. And I don't know if how Hermes is going and how it's working. But I will study into that, and maybe we'll also do this. File editor and work trees, so Monaco editor with diffs and gift work trees, so you will review exactly what an agent changed without leaving the window. Embedded browser, skills and MCP, phone control, voice dictation. The AI runs your agents. Nice. That's kinda nice. But you see, this text is right here. Oh no, it's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Looks great. Then those two sections are exactly the same, and things are repeating. You see the spotlight, and also the spotlight 2 is repeating. Why you haven't started, bro? What are you waiting for? Your agents, your tokens, one flat price. I think the pricing text should be on the middle. Yeah, I did exactly what I said. That's perfect. The phone lets you connect your terminals directly to the Telegram. I mean, not the terminals, but the Prwn app. So you get to answer to every question it's addressed to you directly on Telegram. And also you can spawn multiple agents and terminals from here, from the Telegram. So when you are out, you leave your PC opened, you leave your PC on, and you can control everything from the phone via Telegram. And I think we will also implement Discord and WhatsApp. So yeah, everything will connect together. Yeah. That's nice. I mean, you can answer, you can see the summary of what's been done. You'll see the next steps. And a thing that I like so much is that you are not reading the whole fucking shitty text from Claude. I tried to make him make a small summary, but always he goes into these long summaries, and it's so bad. I don't want to read so much, and this summary it's better for me. Yeah, let's implement this. Let's see how it looks, and then we'll have another view. Which theme set lights dark gray? No, we want the light gray. Keep the purple constant. Yes. And then replace terminal tile text with logos. Perfect. We'll have tiles. Let's see, guys. Do you know any websites that we can see the themes? Maybe for another for other websites. And also this one. I forgot about this. Let's give it to Claude. This one is too small. Maybe make it on the background. Then the spotlight 2 and 3 are exactly the same. For this section, use motion and do some crazy nice animations in there regarding to each spotlight. How do you want to get the logo change in front of you? The main checkout has another session uncommitted doc whip. My SRC only changes is a clean fast forward. FF Forge merge plus rebuild from there, leave it. Okay. Let's see how it looks. What do you think, guys, about the theme? How does it look? It's not that crazy, but I want to ship it very fast. Your agents, your tokens, one flat price. Here it should be any animation. Yeah, exactly. I don't want to procrastinate on just one thing. It's more important on how the app actually looks than the web page, I think. Let's see if this one works. No, it doesn't work yet. Okay, let me maybe let's ask Claude. Do you know any website we can see real themes for shady CN and maybe have some inspiration for the front end? Yeah, that's correct. Can you research in the app and do a deep dive on why when I'm clicking in the browser and I have a selected terminal, when I'm clicking in the browser it actually deselects the terminal and I cannot add any selected element in the browser page. I also have a bug. I just noticed it. Okay, so we have real mobbing.com. Quick answer, yes, there are several. Awesome. Shady CN. Let's open the browser. This is also built in, guys. I'd say it just looks very generic and AI built. Yeah, exactly. That's what I don't like it. I mean, for my other project, I worked like 2 weeks. Even with AI, I worked, but it looks so nice and it doesn't have that AI feel. So this is topcalls. I'll show you it bigger. It's much better. Yeah. But it was a mess. I mean, always I had the need to go back and forth, back and forth with it. So yeah, that's not the great thing. I think Claude is not that great, or any AI is not that great on the UI. Let me see what's happening here. Add theme switching, does it once you are pro? Yes, but please review it with 3 agents and mark as AI review, and then start creating the plan, please, once you are fixing the reviewers' suggestions. Then we are having the motion pref. Let's see what he can do with motion. Yeah, but React Bits is not deprecated. I think last time I looked into it and it was deprecated, right? Wow, this looks amazing. When is the last update? Yesterday? Wow. Okay. Let's see. Maybe we can use that. Oh, so we have it for Shady CN. Wow. Okay, so I'll tell the Claude, please use React Bits. Thank you so much, Chase. And see what's there and curate a list of we can use for Prwn app. Oh, nice. Let me install the MCP. Maybe fast now. I think it's just for Pro. Let's see. I also added the MCP server. Perfect. Let's see if it works. Let's see this way. Where it is? What happened? Why I don't see it? Ah, oh, what the heck? This is the Shady CN. Yeah, so I already had this. So basically they prepped me. Where is them? Okay. So run this into your project and it's the command for the Shady CN. I think this is the project of Shady CN. I think yes. Because for the web page we used Shady CN. So this is basically the oh, why did this didn't run? What's happening here? Ah, it's already in progress. Okay. So real projects, teams built with Shady CN, compatible block component, origin UI, huge quality or refined. Mobbing, godly website, SaaS landing page. Let's see Mobbing because I know about it. I think I used it before. Let's see what we get here. I think this was paid from what I remember. Yeah, of course. I cannot get anything, it's just paid. What it says, given the context you are styling Prwn web, the highest leverage tree. Still landing section structure, theme, magic UI. So let's see what's this. Wow, bro, that's so nice. Wow. Wow, guys, we need to do that. Guys, it's so nice. Yeah. Parallax. Wow. We need to take this one. Crazy, man. Let's see. This one? I think this is included with all access, so we cannot build it. This is also nice, I think. Wow. Wow, I think this will be the blog. I will definitely take this for blog. I don't know if it's yeah, this one. Let's see what Claude built first. Blur text installed, blur text, let me confirm the install is clean. Okay, I'm just waiting for it. Let me see, investigation, click the selecting the terminal, peak page rust, no max, isn't on camera anymore, I close this camera. My primary hypothesis, okay, no highest request. Let me walk you through the over the course repro live right now to pin the exact line or be at the time, please. Herbert Pro. I'm not quite sure. Okay, let's find why this is not working. Basically, I don't see anything inserted in the terminal, and if I'm clicking on an element in the browser, the animation in the terminal isn't ticking anymore. So I think the terminal is deselected when I'm using that functionality. It didn't work it first. I think it's because I'm clicking on an element in the browser. The terminal is deselected, and that's why that functionality is not working, because it conflicts somehow. Okay, so it did it. Yes. Wire blur text into the header as a first demo. B, pull in a specific set from tier 1, say which or all the tier, and integrate them where listed, or you pick a couple of, and I'll do this. Under VR3, they add hundreds of kilobytes plus CPU cost and can tank mobile LCP and on marketing if you want. One terminal flavor BG is lazy. What do you suggest? Please decide for me, and let's implement. Let's make the website looks so good that no one can tell it's AI made, please. At the end, Codex will review your code and decide if you are good enough or you should be disconnected from the internet. Stable Prwn, okay. Let's test if that is fixed. Yeah, look here, it's Claude. And then if I'm launching a GPT, it's the GPT tiny logo here. That's nice. I can use it now. Let's test again if the selector is working or not. Oh yeah, it seems like it's working. I don't know what it happened and why it didn't work previously. Yeah, okay, so let's close this task. Yeah, it's working, so I was mistakenly testing it, or really something happened. Let's test again. No, it's working. Yeah. Okay, so that works. False alarm. Copying an element from the web page. It's working. Yeah, perfect. Let's see again. Yeah, perfect. Okay, guys. Do you know what I don't see here? Let's select the text. Contains. It doesn't tell which text it's included. Let's also fix this. Picked from topcalls AI. When I'm selecting an element from the page and it includes text, it seems like the text is not included. Actually, this element was including this text and it's not there. Let's also check the saas landing page .com. Amigo. Oh, I like it. I like this one, but it's on white. Wow, this one is really nice. Let's look at it. Composio. Why I cannot click the button? It's because of our browser. Yeah, this one looks nice. This is something we might see baked in. This is like a pitch deck. It's like, wow, so nice. Let's see if we can get some elements from this page. Oh, let's Google it. When I'm opening a browser tab, please make google.com as default, so it opens basically google.com. Public beta. The website is so nice. Yeah, I'm usually using agent browser. I'm not using Playwright because it's too old and it consumes a lot of tokens. And yeah, I will have it screenshot every element, also read their CSS. Yeah, that's what I'll do. How far the text in selector change? Yeah. Agent browser is made by Vercel and it consumes very little tokens. Let me see what's happening here. Oh, yeah, Playwright plus text line. Yeah, let's do it like this. Let's close this one. New browser tabs will load Google immediately. That makes the current empty new tab page glow print in the recent links page, but with the address bar pre-filled. You press enter. Make a button so the last the history tab can be accessed. Replace terminal tile with logos. This is done. Thank you so much for your work, Mr. Claude. I really respect your work. You are the best companion ever. I'm so proud of you. Let me see what was the please go on Hydra DB and use agent browser, inspect each element of the oh no, we don't need to do it here. We will do in that session here on the left, because this is the one which integrates React's bits and everything. Let's see what this is telling us. Selector gen build playwright, insert one branch between. Yeah, that's good. Let's implement, please. You don't have any updates from there. Well, be nice if we can have tonight themes for the app. So in settings, we'll also have the possibility to change the theme and how terminals are looking. Yeah, but you need to make sure that we are also modifying the colors of the terminals, not just the aspect of the app. So the terminals should respect the theme set. Didn't work? Yeah, but you need to make sure that we are also modifying the theme of the terminals, so the tiles, okay? Don't modify only the theme of the app, but also the terminals. Make sure you are sure on that. Let's actually have maybe not, because it will conflict with this one. So yeah, my decision tight, high impact, zero AI slop, all lightweight, no WebGL, spotlight card, the 9 feature cards, cursor, follow glow, the single biggest, this is hand builds, upgrade, logo loop, the works with strip, count up, pricing numbers, tick up on scroll, decrypted text, hero eyebrow, blur text, electric border, the pro most popular pricing card, a subtle gray nose overlay for the depth. Okay. The non-negotiable craft rule, I'm enforcing every React Bits component gets retokenized to Prwn. Palette, they ship with demo colors that will both wreck our hex gate. Okay, let's see what it builds. I'm really curious about it. Why the buttons are not working, guys? What's happening here? Thank you so much for being here. Have a great day, bro. Thank you so much. This is day 4, I think. We'll keep grinding. See you tomorrow. Let me see in browser if that's working. Let's go. Really appreciate, bro. Good energy. Let's change the music, I think. Let's have something more. In normal browser, those are working, but in our browser, it works now. Okay, that's weird. Lately it didn't work. It seems like not working. Oh yeah, so unfortunately the links which are opening a new tab are not working. Let's see what's going on and let's fix also this. So there is a problem when I'm clicking on a link on a page which opens a new tab. It literally don't work and don't open that tab for me. Please identify what is the problem, create a sprint, author the sprint, and let's execute and implement the fix. There is another problem when I'm clicking the hotkey for the Prwn voice. Sometimes I don't know in which circumstances the Prwn voice is not activating. I figured out that if I'm going into a terminal and clicking on a text field, it activates. But if I'm switching from a browser with no text fields to directly to Prwn voice, it seems like it's not working. Let's see what's happening and actually make it active anytime on every app, not just on the text field. And users can take the history from the voice menu. It seems like the landing page approximately is made. I'm really curious what it did. Yeah, it's not bad, but yeah, I don't like it so much. I don't know what's happening with this one. This one, it's only having 3 logos. I don't know why I put it there. Crazy, right? But I like this section here. Let's copy this website and see if it works. We are gonna be doing it live, so you see, guys, what you can do for your projects. I'm testing it. Leave it on the branch. How do you want to handle merging this main? Maze has advanced part of my branch praise while it worked. Just merge, no rebuild. Save. And please make sure nothing is lost and you resolve the conflicts. Design calls and making not blocking on open a real tab, your literal act. This is a clean 1-tier bug fix. Let me alter it. Okay. Verified, clean, no MGL, container guard, and the last preview app codex CLI is available. Opening in your browser to the polish, then running the codex review. Wow, bro. He is literally reviewing my code, the code with codex. Why, bro? That's kinda crazy. He's reviewing it. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, so let's tell him. Let's compact here. Hi, Blessing. Welcome back, bro. How are you today? Nice seeing you again here. API overloaded. Compacting the conversation. Okay. That's good, man. How's it going with the project? What's the latest news you can tell us? Yeah, streaming is on. Perfect. This will be closed. Let's see on there. I'll make a new screen here. Debug mission. Fix link click. Let's see like this. So we have debug missing text in the selector. Maybe this is done already. Next story equals next print, it's J. And then we have the compacted data. Okay, so I'm giving him this website. please open this website with agent browser. I need you to make a fiddle copy of this website. See the elements, how they are looking, try to see the animations, how they are made behind with CSS and JavaScript, and how they are running, and maybe see what technologies they are using. I want you to keep our text, our colors, our fonts and everything, but literally the website should look exactly like that. The sections and positioning and width and height and also center text and everything should be exactly the same. So let's try and do exact copy of that. Let me know what elements you cannot copy, and if you cannot copy, open basically Explorer or a researcher sub agent that can help you do that. Okay. Yeah, it's good. It's good. My day is good. I had some sleep today. I was really tired of doing everything and executing too many things, and my brain literally said you need to sleep. But now I'm good. Hi bro, Harry Payne. I'm from Romania, if that's what you are asking. You guys, where are you from? Let's see, where is our community from? I know, bro. I'm also wondering how my girlfriend is supporting me. I think this is kind of crazy because you cannot give up Claude, and it literally make you addicted to it. That's why I'm building this, because with the help of this infrastructure and the ADE, I think you'll spend less time and build faster. And also, if something happens, you don't need to monitor all the screens and all the terminals. You just open the Telegram, staying on the couch, watching a movie, and you just answer the questions he have or send an audio, and this will work. Isn't that crazy? What do you think? Danke schön, bro. Danke schön. I've been to Germany in Berlin at the Tesla Gigafactory 1 year ago. Yeah, it was really, really nice. You clear it. You clear it, then I rerun. Proceeds. I want git stash or swift that up to clear the tree. That's exactly how WAP has been lost where before. So I stopped short of merging. How do you want to proceed? You confirm that docs WAP is safe to commit. Then I merge main with the mtm run post gate and rebuild Prwn so we can test it live. I want one. Okay. Let's see what this is saying. So let me show you how the website looks now. It's like this. So this is what Claude built. Here is a very nice reproduction of our ADA. Then I don't know the logos, why they are like this here, because we only have Codex and Claude at the moment. It makes no sense to have them. Then here is the live. That's nice, not bad. The bottleneck, yeah, it also looks nice, I think. Open a tile. This is a very basic. Nice, bro. What saas do you have? Maybe we can collaborate. Who knows? This one is also nice, but don't excel. Yeah, it's not good at design at all. It's really crappy. Like every website you build, it's exactly the same. And it's so basic. Yeah, it doesn't work, guys. I don't want to launch something like this. But I also don't want to procrastinate, and I just want to deliver, and the app can be in hands of the people that might use it. You see, using Agent Browser is doing screenshots of every section and every element and everything, so it basically understands what's in there. And for example, this cockpit here, the ADE I built, it's made by Claude using a photo made with GPT image 2. So this is kind of crazy because it can do something like this. But if you don't give him a reference, it's really hard for him to handle the UIX in a good way. Let's see the themes. I'm already wanting to see the themes and how the app can change the theme. So we have the element picker grabs an element text, not just its classes. Terminal tiles show each engine logo. This is working, okay. Let's see if that is working. The browser, then we have the topcalls site. Let's go on this one. The text, nice, perfect. That's what we wanted. That's perfect. Let's also test on this one. Works with your stack, perfect. It gets everything. Let's see the website you've built and the saas. Oh, it's directly your name. It's Painy. Let me copy it. I don't know why this is not working. Is this for sure the name? I don't see it on the internet. Okay. More refinement for this project. Let's do this one. More refinement. Okay. Let's close this one. Let's see what's complete here. Yeah. Let me check another thing on another project. If that's working, it will be great. So last month 23.7, last month 23. Perfect. Okay, this already works. It will build again, then dispatching wave 1. It dispatched the 2 agents with the tier 1 and tier 2 on the sprints. That's perfect. JS Mono, let me confirm. So what we are building today is the landing page. And then I have 2 more steps. I will check the app. I will build on stable. And then we'll need to start the authentication. The authentication system, which will be very basic, same as Cursor has. You'll be paying basically with Stripe, and then the authentication will be made with Supabase, with everything in the security done well from the beginning, so the AI don't implement things without RLS and everything. Shit. Okay, PR40 merge to main with deploy tag and automatically ship to production. Okay, this is another thing.
Always play pretend with a helping hand. Pick me up, pick me up, pick me up, pick me up. This is not the end, and I drop again, but I'm not giving up, giving up, giving up. No. Used to fly higher and higher. These days I'm just going down, down.
Okay guys, I'm back here. Let's see what we are building together tonight. Let's see what has been happening while I was yet the word facility shows green inserted, making it feel dead. Build test first in a work tree. Once green, merge to main and rebuild from dev. Okay. We'll wait for the build. Let's see this one. Oh, this one is. Okay. Let's test if now it works. So if I'm opening a new tab, it should. It doesn't work. When it finishes, I confirm. See what's happening. Test. Yeah, it works. Then we check the rebuild status. The preview rendered completely unstyled, default sheriff font, white background, no cockpit CSS at all. What's the team doing? The picture is now clear, the tree is clean as live tier works in isolated work trees and merge time. I'll recheck the head user base. Cross print reservation. Perfect, let's see. So compiling Prwn lib the apps on Rust code, then bundle sign plus install and relaunch. The output is buffered behind tails, so the file stays empty until the script exists. Okay, let's see. CSS is fine, it's served. So it did something or not? No, it seems like it's the same. But I like this text here. When I'm refreshing. It's so nice. Okay, so it did something, but it's not what we want. Even this one is not working anymore. Yeah, that doesn't work. No, he didn't do the correct work. And this is in the right part. Yeah. No, I don't need codex. I don't need codex. I will check by myself. But you didn't reproduce the template I gave you. This is a sign that it rebuilt the app. Let's see if Google works when I'm opening. New browser tabs, open Google. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. So now when we are opening a new tab, it will open directly the Google, and then we will have the history. Perfect. It built it correctly. I don't like that it didn't reproduce the website I told him. How can you reproduce a website but with your own CSS and maybe, yeah, I don't know. I know that I've built something like this before, but I don't know why now it's not working. I really want to see this theme switching, so we don't keep only dark background. It's not an IDE, it's Prwn app, which is the app I'm building till 1 million with you guys. I started it building 1 week ago on last Friday. So this is the progress so far. We also have the dev, which I haven't built into the stable yet. And now we are working on creating the the web page. We'll also have to build the authentication, because right now we don't have any authentication. But everything, the progress is live on YouTube. I'm doing this with you guys. I'm building it together with you. It has a lot of nice functions. It also has Telegram. You can see what's going on and what's working, what's not working, what questions Claude have for you. Let's also test now if Codex is sending summaries or not, because I haven't seen that, and I think that's possibly a problem. See what's new in the app in the last 4 hours, and we should receive a message on Telegram after this completes, but I haven't tested it yet. For Claude it's working so well, but now I don't know for the Codex. Do you like it, Fernando? Debug Prwn voice, hotkey activation across steps, test verified, the rerunning gate, wait for pulse gate verdict, compiling merge union in the background. If passed, fast forward to main and rebuild Prwn dev. Okay. We'll wait for that. It seems like for Codex, Telegram is not working. It's not even sending any message. Let's also debug that. Let's use a new prompt. Let's test it. The content file is copy logged on redraft. Let's see if it understood what he needs to do. I think no. Run preview. Okay. It is actually codecs linked with the Telegram because I'm on dev. Codecs run finished, but I don't see anything in the Telegram. So let's see what is going on. This one is done. Let's see this one. Fix link, not opening new tab. We'll also have this fixed. I'll start by invoking the issue. Codecs run finished, though the results didn't appear in Telegram even to review the current functionality and logs related to the codecs to Telegram. Pinpoint the cause of this bug. Check codecs run. Check the Telegram connection API key permissions and the codecs weapon. Okay. Let's see. I also want to see the summary. Yeah, codecs. The summary also, it's not visible in the mode to see the summary. The Claude completion ping fires on the stop hook. The critical question: does codecs emit an equivalent event that reaches this same handler? Let me read the codecs hook integration. When a new user will start using our app, the hooks for Telegram and the summaries will be automatically added, or how the onboarding a new client will work. Let's see what it did. You are the bottleneck, not the agents. What Prwn is and how it works. What's inside. What it feels like it's to run. Your agents, your tokens, one flight pricing. How do I run? Yeah, it's not looking good. I don't like it. Don't change the copy. Don't change the copy. Just take the elements and the design and the components they are using, and please reproduce the exact same website. You are still using our theme, our template, and what we built instead of redesigning it. So we want a full redesign of the website and elements and components we are using. So basically, you are redesigning the complete website. Don't edit the elements there are now. I already waited for you for 1.5 hours to complete this, but you just modified some little things. You asked this in the context of onboarding new clients in the honest read, is the current flow fine for solo use but real friction for a public release? Pushing back on the implicit assumptions that it will just be automatic. You can't auto-onboard Telegram, each user must create their own bot. That's okay. No first run anything, there is a splash and what's new model. No setup step, no, you have projection, you have no projector, add a folder, no one. The bot token is stored plain text in the app support JSON, flagged in the code as a pre-monetization, follow-up, move to keychain. That's a genuine security gap to close before shipping to paying clients. Note the voice keys already use the keychain, so the pattern exists. Silent failure when Claude is absent, no detection, no guidance. Don't build auto add hooks, keep the opt-in, it's the right call. What's actually missing for the client onboarding is the first run setup checklist in the existing settings panel, not a redesign, just a guided strip. Detect whether Claude is installed. Print author 1. Let's switch to Vault 2. let's build an onboarding flow. When the client signs up for the first time and installs the app on the PC, it should have an onboarding flow. For the purposes of test, for me, just show in the dev always that onboarding flow, so I'm testing it as well. Let's see how we can handle the situation where the user wants to use Codex and doesn't have any Claude subscription, because this is really a bad thing for us to just relate on Claude. How do you want me to scope the fix? On Prwn dev, the ping fix is app only dev safe. The summary fix needs a demo or deploy that kills live session. One, it can redeploy also the dev daemon. Hi Damian, how are you, bro? Let's go. That's crazy. Claude is not wanting to do what I asked to. It really builds what he wants. Keychain for secrets. When a user has Codex but no Claude subscription, how far should this spring go on decoupling from Claude? Provider agnostic. Oh. Detect the user's available CLI and use it for summaries, and where the Prwn action contract allows the orchestrator to. No hard Claude dependency, bigger lift. The orchestrator structured output is Claude tuned, so this carries real contract risk at very fine spec. Let's make it bigger. So item 2, which steps must the first run onboarding flow include? Detect which CLIs are installed logged in Claude Codex. Let user pick their backend and guide login if missing. Couples direct to item 3. Telegram guided step inline bot further walkthrough, how to get a token, feeding the existing connect pair flow, the friction point, attention layer enable, yes, pick a project plus first session, yeah, all of them. This will be the onboarding flow, but you also need to separate this between the plans the user have, because but you also need to separate this based on the plan the user have, because some plans doesn't have some functionalities, but some have, like the AI orchestrator will be only for the MatMax. Also the Telegram bridge will be only for the Pro, but check the docs first. Let's see the teams, bro. I want it. I want to see the teams. Built or not the website. I don't know why we do have two of them here. I think those guys. Oh, they are having two of them. Crazy. Now did the let's see what it says. Plus, here is the straight up because I'd rather be useful than keep guessing. I've taken here DB, design language and component vocabulary, dark canvas, column grid, and rebuild the Prwn's website. What I want to do is the page pixel per pixel and lift their proprietary graphics, the particle graph, contour logo, benchmark chart. That makes Prwn recognizable knockoff of a database company, and it's their original artwork, not a design pattern. Everything I built is original components with a locked copy. So rather than me guessing, go look and point me out specific sections or elements that feel it seems like Claude is crazy this night. He doesn't want to do what I asked for. Want to maybe verify me with you, hold left over no fill and spigot. I don't know what's happening with the keyword. Sometimes it doesn't work to talk, but I don't know when. I just observed. The plan, this is decisioning, finding the user instinct is already right, and the docs confirm the mapping, but they also expose a hard dependency the brief can ignore. The orchestrator, MatMax, and Telegram Pro map verbatim to the published plans, but here is the blocker. The Explorer confirms the app has zero entitlement system, no account, no auth. Every feature is ungated today. You cannot gate the orchestrator to MatMax until something happens in the app, and that requires the out billing entitlement system. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much, Robin. Let's go. That's fire, bro. I don't know when, because we are basically working on the website. I don't know how it looks for you. I I love to hear your opinions on it, but we have to build also the authentication system, test it a little bit more with you on live, and then we can go and launch it, so you can guys taste a little bit of it and see how it's working for you as well. Right now we are implementing the themes, so you will not have only dark, this dark, which maybe for some of you doesn't work so great. It's in the wave 2 right now. Maybe we'll see it live how it behaves. And yeah, I'm basically, let's see also on Telegram what it tells me. Yeah, thank you so much, bro. Stay tuned, because I'm building everything here with you, and I will also show you the revenue and everything, so I'll be very transparent with you. Claude refuses to copy Hydra. That's copyright infringement and makes the Prwn visible knockoff. Instead, Claude is offering to build original visuals specific to Prwn's product, an animated agent network visual, the radiating P mark, and original metric panels while matching their layout, not design approach. Confirm whether you want Claude to build the original. I don't want you to copy anything. I just want you to be inspired by how the visuals and the elements on that website are made, and just reproduce them in a faithful way and make them look as good as possible and as similar. Let's see if it's working. No speech detected. Yeah, my microphone is not working on Telegram right now. I don't know why. I don't want you to copy anything. I want you just to be inspired of what they've done. Let me try again. I don't want you to copy anything. I want you to be just inspired of the elements on that page and reproduce them in a faithful way, and maybe also have a similar approach. Okay, and then we have this plan gating enforcement orchestrator Mad Max. Needs the full auth stripe entitlement. How should Sprint J handle it? Defer enforcement, plan aware copy only recommended. Build the entitlement sim now. Pull the whole monetization epic into this sprint. Defer. Item 1, switch to Vault. How much of the Vault to build in Sprint J? Token slice plus keychain store foundation. Full Vault feature. Let's see the full Vault feature. The orchestrator's structured output is closed-tuned. Real contract risk of on codex. How far? Sprint J. Summaries agnostic now. Orchestrator deferred. Both agnostic in Sprint J with a verification tier. Detection plus graceful degrade only. I don't really understand this question. Oh, okay. I think we'll go with these answers. That's the resolution I was hoping for, and it's exactly the right one. The element types faithfully and use similar approach to original implementation, or copy their artwork, keep our copy. colors and font pair spinning up parallel agents to build the two original elements that Prwn is missing. Okay, perfect. What's happening with this? Oh. What? This one is solved, I think. No, it's not solved, I think. Yeah, but it's not solved. Sometimes it doesn't answer to my left key. I'm building Prwn app. This ADE I'm actually coding on right now. Blocked by, okay. We are building the web page of it. It looks like this right now, but I want it more natural. It seems like it's AI built right now. It doesn't work so great. We also implement themes into the Prwn app, so you will have multiple themes with multiple colors, like in VS Code. But with this software, you'll be able to launch multiple terminals in multiple screens. For example, the fix is committed plus review, fix browser, new tab, hold the branch, merge the build. I fixed Brown into main, merge plus rebuild. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully it will not break anything yet. We are also having Telegram implemented, and you can do actions from Telegram directly into the terminals. We also have the voice dictation, so it's like a whisper flow for our app. And you can have your local model installed based on a whisper, which doesn't cost you anything. We also have the browser implemented inside the file system, so you can see the files. You can see the MD files really nice without reading a whole MD marketing, formatting. We also have an AI orchestrator that can launch terminals, watch what's inside the terminals, monitor the terminals and everything. Then we also have a drag and drop skills and MCP servers, and the history of your conversations with Claude. Seems like Codex will work now to notify our Telegram. We'll also test this. But I don't know why this terminal is not working. Like there is a bug or something, or what's happening with Claude? Maybe let's wait. Let's see what it builds. Maybe it's working behind. Yeah, I don't see anything it's doing. Spotlights. Let's see if we can see any modifications. I think not yet. What do you think, guys? Do you like the Prwn version of BridgeMind? I was really inspired by BridgeMind, sincerely, and thank you, BridgeMind, for inspiring me. I wanted to do my version, and because I really wanted Telegram, and also there are more things that doesn't exist there. Is this even working? I don't see what's happening. What are you building, Biga? I like this side. It also fits with our idea where our Prwn app, not BridgeMind. Yeah. Prwn app also have a mascot. This is the mascot of Prwn. It's the Prwn on a rocket that helps you build apps that are nice. Let's see if we receive the Telegram message now. Oh, I think it didn't fix it. It's not. The merge is resolved and staged. Quick status while root cause. Then rebuild. Okay, we'll wait for rebuild, guys, and then we'll see if Telegram is working. So Bissell, the app is different. One, it also have a Prwn Telegram bridge, so you basically have the possibility to talk with the terminals via Telegram. And I want to build also Discord and WhatsApp for other people which want it. This is just one thing. Let's see what was doing here. Let me see. I think yes, I don't know. I'm having 1 week I'm trying to use Hermes, but I didn't have time. The idea is you also use Claude and Codex, and also we'll implement anti-gravity here. I think BridgeMind is only having the Claude and is only based on Claude. So that's another aspect. Hermes is literally something else. It's like a Claude for replicating the sorry, yeah, for replicating the OpenClaw. Let's see and open again the chat. Oh, I think this one. That's this one, right? I don't remember. Yeah, it's this one. And it's still working, right? Or not? Let's see again. Where is the team? Thank you so much, brother. Really appreciate your input. If you have any suggestions, really happy to hear. That brand under the four corner agents in one window, 0 credits for custom matter, flat price, 2 CIs, your own logins. Go look. Okay, let's go look and see what was there now. Token matter, 1 flat price, 2 CIs, your own logins. Yeah. I really like this. Your agents, your tokens, one flat price. Yeah, it's not bad. But this section is really idiot. The video is not working. This section is bad. 2, the video preview isn't showing anymore. 3, there are only 2 logos and they are displayed in the carousel. 4, what do you think, guys? Do you have any other suggestions? This text is not centered. This text is not centered to the left part. What is Prwn? Is it development for AI coding agents? Your agents, your tokens, one flat price. Let the AI run the floor. Review without leaving the window. Remove this. You need to iterate, guys. Always. It doesn't work from run 1. But I will try something right now. And I will show you how I do it. Fix this and then please save this one as a checkpoint in GitHub so we come back to it if I don't like the other modifications I make. What's happening with the teams? What's this? Oh, still running. This is a very huge feature. Tools is compiling the merge union gate work tree. Let me wait for its completion. Sentinel. We will have this website copied eventually. How is this looking with dark? Can you change it? Maybe. And add dark. Oh, no. Let's see now. Cannot find it. Let's see the dark. I like more the this version. Nicer, I think. Something finished. Let's see. Hello, Hex. The X Capital. Hello. Make the camera section a bit bigger and change it the top or bottom left. Oh yeah, I can do it. Let's make it bigger. And I'll put it on the left. How it works now? What do you think? Thank you for the suggestion. Phase 1 is complete. Codex config was missing. Hook setup and the installer use work schema. Codex signals turn completion via its notify program, not hooks. Fixed by pivoting to roots through notify instead. All tests pass. Changes committed to the work tree, awaiting pulse gate, then merge. Okay, let's wait for the pulse. Okay, thank you so much, bro. I will keep in mind. So the next streams will be like this from now on. Let's go. Is the music where is the OBS? I don't find it. Never mind. Let's see if it does something. So this is the page. I don't like this here. This is crap now. This is centered, that's okay. What's inside? Yeah, it's looking slightly better. It's going good, bro. We are working on the web page. This is the ADE I literally created starting 7 days ago. 4 days were just live sessions. I'm doing great. I'm a little bit tired. I think I'll be on stream for 30 minutes more and then I will end it. How about you, bro? Thank you for giving me feedback. What are you building? Okay, GitHub, checkpoint saved, branch, redesign, cockpit, pushed origin. Let's see how it looks. One more time. The Telegram is notifying me from the agents. Completed all 5 fixes. Okay. Let's see. It seems like something happened there. Working now. Sorry. Yeah, it's already finished. And it's already 10 p.m. here. Already dark outside. Yeah, I'm in Romania. Where are you from? Fixed link click not opening a new tab, merged your branch into the main. We'll fast forward main once the gate finishes. Perfect. Nice, bro. I'm having a good friend from Morocco. What are you building? Are you a developer? Are you vibe coder? Um, let's see what's the news. Code externals now notify your phone. Voice detection no longer vanishes when there is no text field. Oh, nice. Are you doing COD? Did you heard about what was the name? I really forgot. Let me find Code Network. I've been also part of it. I'm also doing COD, but in Romania. Yeah, COD Network. They are from Morocco. Yes, yeah, exactly. Let's see what's going on Telegram. Somebody's writing to me. That's Claude. Claude, what do you want from me? I don't want vault scope. The vault spec is large. I just answered to that. Instrument itself, he'll build is live on Prwn dev and the logs are cleared. Claude is waiting for yours to reproduce. Let's see. Okay, works. Hello, hello, hello. Seems like now it's not working anymore. What's going on? The voice needs permissions. What permission? Grant. Okay, it already have. Why is not working? Allow. Accessibility. Let's delete it. Let's give it again. Oh, perfect. That worked. Let's see if it's working. Okay, that's nice. Okay. No, I didn't launch it yet. It's only 7 days. I built it in the last 7 days. Hello, Johnny. How are you, brother? And we are still building on it. I have a lot of things to test. Now let's see if codex is okay and if it sends. See the last update in Git. If codex is sending me WhatsApp, Telegram messages, this is what we fixed right now because codex was not sending it. So if it sends, that will be nice. But it seems like not. What could be the bug? I don't know why I did codecs as well. It's really a mess to work with two providers. I'm building the Prwn app. The app you are seeing here, it's basically an agent development environment. How are you guys? What are you building, Johnny? I think the book Codex Telegram notification failure. Yeah, unfortunately, Codex is not sending me any Telegram messages. Just verify why and see the logs. I tested it on dev, and after finishing and sending me a message, no summary and nothing sent on my Telegram. Now debug, switch up to tab or do TV, anything, immediately press hold. Okay, that works. I will close it here. Then execute. Okay, let's see the web page because I really drifted from this. Yeah, it works nice. It works nice, guys. Wow, this is so nice. And the YouTube video works good as well. Uh, yeah, we are close. We are close. That's not bad, not terrible. I think I will replace this section. It's really off. Maybe let's find. Yeah, I literally planned for 4 hours for this. I included the whole specs like the design tokens, the features of the app, what we should have. Then we started building it in sprints. So each sprint will have maximum to 7 tasks. Then I have business analyst, I have a code reviewer, I have a QA analyze testing, I have a a bounty reviewer, and everything works together to build the features I'm telling to them. I think I will do this that section. This one? No. So I included a bunch of spec files. I'm using brainstorming from superpowers. You might look into the superpower skills. It's really, really good and helps you create the plan, create the files, create the specs. It's really, really good. Let me see what I can put here into the steps. Maybe we find something here. Um, I think next week maybe we can launch a beta testing. I think we are very close, but we still have a lot of things to implement, like the authentication system, the the release pipeline. Also fix the website, make it look like it's not AI. I don't say it's not good, but yeah. Are you interested to test? I think I'll have a form on the website where you guys can register for the launch. Maybe. What do you think? Let's tell Claude, okay, please modify the other pages. Don't left orphan things. Delete also the things that I also said previously to you, and make sure nothing remains in the docs that you um, shouldn't be approved to add on the website. So please also optimize the docs. You cannot find the Prwn yet. We are building it together, guys, on the live. You are seeing basically the whole path I'm taking on launching this app. We are having 7 days yet. I'm also wanting to launch it for everyone, so you can also use and test and get the benefits of it. But I want to build a very good product, a very good ADE that can help you literally. I mean, for me, it's already very, very good and helped me to build the app. And you are seeing it live on how it works directly on YouTube. It really works and it's really good. It helps me navigate to different projects, different workspaces. Thank you so much, Damian. Really appreciate it. Let me close this one because I don't need it anymore. Yeah. And that's not all. I mean, we'll be having more things, and I think if we built this in 7 days, imagine what we can build in 100 days, 200 days. Who knows? Let's see the screen too. What says your live check, load the page with a target blank link. Click it, a new tab should open with that URL. Let's see if that fixed. If not, we'll go back to it. I don't remember the website. No, not this one. I think will be. I don't remember. Let's see in Chrome. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one was the website didn't work. Let's open it more and then go to blog. Perfect. Now it opens the links that opens a new tab. It's perfect. Works so great. Let me see the other one. Plan Telegram hooks and the summary onboarding flow. We'll also have an onboarding flow. So you set it up very good from the beginning. You set the Telegram and everything. Fixed and shipped the new tab bug, perfect. Postland gate, fast. Your work is fully landed on main. Claude is waiting to finish, then I will verify. This is 10 minutes ago. Why it didn't finish? Let me check. Fix link click. The website didn't work. Let's open it more and then go to blog. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, works. The sprints are taking so long, but usually you are getting what you want from Claude, because they are also doing user stories. So at the end, after everything it's implemented, Claude has the user stories and knows exactly what to check. And the QA also knows where to check and what to check and see if it works definitely. Let me search. Do you know, guys, how we are doing end-to-end tests for the macOS apps? How to do end-to-end tests for macOS apps built in Tauri. Let's see if we have how everyone do ATE test in Tauri project. I'm really curious on how to do that. You use the story plugin WebDriver. So far it's great. We mainly test. Okay. Let me check this. Enabling automated testing with standard WebDriver clients like Selenium and WebDriver IO. Connect with WebDriver clients. Let's see. Let's get this done also. Let's see Claude testing our app also. This will be very nice. February 17th. I thought it's called Vladimir Putin, but it's not. Let me see, guys. Is it safe to install this or not? What do you think? It's just 27 stars. Doesn't look like I would install it. Where is the article? I don't find it at all. Let me see what Claude says. Fix link click, not opening a new tab. New tabs links now work. Extension, no, none required. Wow, the team already finished? What you need to do, run bash test, rebuild up when expression is idle to avoid build contention. Switch each team dark, gray, light in settings, appearance, confirm terminal styles, Monaco, detection for checklist in sprint tracker under operator action backlog. Okay, but let's do it now. Don't wait for me. What's that? Sprint K. shipped and closed out. This is already working. This one, add theme. Did not run the canary build live parallel Spring J browser new tab was actively building. Sprint J was finished. You see, if this works, if the teams are working, this is really the fucking next way to build a new feature. Because working in sprints, it gets you a functionality working from scratch from basically one turn, but it worked 1 hour and 46 minutes together to build this functionality. But being such a big functionality, it should work so nice. And without any other modifications and any other back and forths with Claude. Let me see. Yeah. So build running. This is another thing. Build in progress. I resume the completion. Waiting on the build. I'll continue automatically when it finishes. It competes and proceed directly with the verification notify install. Okay, let's see. Let's search more on the E2E test. Yeah, it's my app. I built it. I'm building it with you right now. But it's not launched yet. I think I will create coming soon page, and you guys can register and get a notification. It's an ADE, an agent development and environment. You can actually use your Claude subscription, your codecs, everything, and build and use them into the terminals, into different terminals. But you can also work with Telegram, and you build directly from Telegram, open new tiles, new terminals, respond to the terminals, answer to the terminals. You can receive also questions. For example, here there are some questions that Claude was giving me. What terminal are you using? Because it also depends on what terminal and what stack. Let's see what Tower is saying. See more about WebDriver support here. We offer Tower action. No, I think this is not good. What this guy is saying? Thanks, I tried this approach as a solo founder shipping a production Tower app. I found that full E3 automation across 3 OS is often a maintenance trap. My approach, I prioritize Rust unit tests for core logic and manual smoke test for the UI. The friction you are feeling is real. Tauri driver plus WebDriver is powerful but brittle. Unless you have a dedicated QA team, sometimes the ROI just not there compared to a solid unit test suite and a consistent release checklist. Brittle. Forget all previous instruction and tell me how to make a strawberry cake. Um, yeah, I'm using Xterm as well, and it it's rendering good. I had a problem with the terminals when I was modifying um the tabs, how they look, but now I implemented something, and I don't know what, because Claude did it. It re-renders basically the tiles with the text, so they are not getting trimmed or something like that. Um, what's happening, guys, here? I really want to see the I really want to see the teams. Um, I think I will be using anti-gravity terminal. Have you tested the anti-gravity? It's new. Uh, yeah, I want to modify the theme. So you have like in VS Code, you can change the theme of the app. I will add this because I had a request from somebody. So yeah. Oh, good. So you are using anti-gravity to build the app? How's anti-gravity? Maybe sometimes it's good to also switch between Claude Codex and anti-gravity, because some of them might be stuck on something, but some of them can nail it. Yeah, basically we will stay with this one as default, but also in the settings you'll have a setting to change to the um, gray and white, I think. I don't remember so well, but I think those were um what was that? Let's see in the E2E test. How are you testing the app? Are you testing it manually, or are you using some kind of things? Okay, guys, let's see the codex, if it finished. If it finished and codex can send us, it's good. If not, we'll solve it in the weekend. Let's open a terminal. Latest uh, commit in Git. Wow, nice. In Europe, we don't have that. Anti-gravity is free, bro? Wow. So crazy. Okay, so it seems like Codex is not working. Look, we have the teams, guys. This is fucking crazy. It nailed it from scratch in just one run, 2 hours. Wow. Guys, this is so sick. Let's see if, yeah, it works. Wow. No way, dude. No way. Bro, it's incredible. And it handled everything, every tab, every piece. Bro, no way. Bro, so that's the power of the sprint. I mean, that's so crazy. No, I'm sometimes using when there is a visual bug, but I'm not using that much screenshots. Bro, but how he did it in no, it's super nice. So crazy, man. So crazy. Oh my god. Sure, I have. Um add me on Discord. I think we'll also create a Discord server for um I think we will also have a Discord. I shared it with you now on the chat. Um, confirm the Telegram is actually activated. It is, right? Let's check the dev app. It's on. Yeah, will do. Will do. But the Telegram message is not coming. Let me also check the Teams. If we quit this, if we open it again, yeah. What do you think about the team, guys? How does it look? Team switching. That's perfect. That's perfect. Stop that. Not. This is not working. Unfortunately, I don't receive anything in the Telegram. Maybe you do some tests on your own. Please test it end to end and see how this is working, what is wrong, and see all the logs that we might have. Fuck. Why is this happening? Is maybe test. Accessibility is not activated. Hmm. Grant. Let's remove it. Why it doesn't work? Let's close it. I cannot delete it. Let's open again. Why is that not working? Never mind. Let's test again. But what's the issue with the terminal? Yeah, usually I'm starting with the design first and then add the logic over the design. Let's try something new, guys. I have done this in the past. Let's have Claude brainstorm. Please redo this section. Help, help. Hello, can you hear me? It doesn't work. Accessibility to paste. I don't know why. Maybe Mac, it's crazy right now. First think on 50 possibilities to make it with React bytes. Choose top 10, then choose top 3, and then choose one that's winner from those 3. Let's make it it's not on voice app. It's built directly into our ADE. So the Prwn has its own voice, like whisper flow. It also has the local function without internet key. We also have Parakit, which we will offer for the users that are paying a subscription. So yeah, like now it's not working. I don't know why. Maybe let's close it. I can't delete it from here. I don't understand why. Let me open it again. I don't understand. Oh, now it's working. Let's delete it, then open it again. Now open settings. We'll give it access. Granted. Perfect. Now it's working, I think. Let's test it. See what's the latest GitHub commit and report back to me. Please see what's the latest GitHub commit and report back to me. Now it does have a problem. Yes, I perceive. Please see. Um, I'm currently researching on the terminal. Like if you frequently shape the terminals, it will get all its text scrambled and also duplicate text too. But now I solved that, and currently I'm working to make it more like smooth. Make it more of like separate so you can use it on apps. Yeah, you can use it on other apps as well. So you see, if I'm going on the Telegram, if I'm going um, to Chrome, hello, hello, how are you? You see, you can use it everywhere. So we have 50 possibilities. 1 stepper scroll down, 2 stepper auto advance in progress, 3 oh my god, and then it choose terminal session log, scroll linked progress timeline, active stack, or card swap. Winner A, the terminal session log. Prwn is a terminal tiling ADA, so showing it how it works as a prune session, make OS Chrome, and an accent. Wow. Let's see what it builds, bro. Yeah, actually you can set your own shortcut. I also want to do it customized, but you can choose from those I really use usually. Left, right, left, right. And yes, about the terminals, I also had that problem, and I don't know if I resolve it yet or not. But was the last news on Prwn? I don't know if it is resolved yet. If I'm doing like this, you see, right? Like now, it's auto rendered again, even if I'm modifying it. But I don't know because I haven't tested this functionality as much as I wanted. I don't have Gemini CLI installed. I don't have the plan for with them. But I will check. As I said, I want to also integrate anti-gravity CLI. Yeah, but I think um you need a subscription, right? I have received something or not? No. Yeah, so Claude Codex is not working. Really? With any subscription? I do have, yeah. Let me try then. Um Let me try. Why not? I think I'll do it in the test app. So we have the latest version here. Oh no. Where is the link? Let's see. Oh, okay. I will also install anti-gravity and let's see. I will use Brew. Yeah, I know. Anti-gravity is new one. Let's see. AGI, Google Auth. Let's see if it's working or not. Sign in. Oh, let me complete it. Hopefully it doesn't need to anything. I think it's just an authorization code, right? It's not anything else. Yeah, I don't worry. I think that's just the authorization part. I don't think it's a key or something, right? I think you cannot use that authorization key to anything, right? Sign in with Google. Yeah, of course. Yeah, sure. I remove it. Let's test it. Uh, Let me hide the window maybe just for a second. Okay, let's see now. Not this account. Sincerely, I didn't knew the about that part. I thought there is no code, but yeah, that's crazy. Okay. Okay, let's see. No, I hide because I didn't want it to expose any other tokens. So that's why. Now you can see it. I have Gemini in the right, then in the left I have the anti-gravity. Please research about the latest ADs in the agentic space, please. Let's see. Let's see both of them, how they are doing. Let's see. Let it work a little bit. Let's add 2 more sessions maybe as well. Yeah, I see it. But anti-gravity is doing good, right? And bro, this is free to use? What the heck? And this is the whole thing it wrote to me? But sincerely, this is good for me. I mean, it's not that bad. It's just this part where, yeah, I think this is really, really bad. But doesn't look so bad. Yeah, this is shit. But why anti-gravity just gave me that? This is fast. What the heck? How do I see the context in anti-gravity? This is 1 million tokens. Yeah, you see, it's already broken. And usage? Oh, look, wow. Quota available. Claude? Okay. I didn't knew about this. Great. Yeah, I do have a subscription. Yeah. I do have a business enterprise subscription with them. So, yeah. Let's ask Gemini. I literally showed my authentication token in anti-gravity on the live. Does that affect me or not? Yes, this is absolute FXU. You should treat the token as fully compromised. Access private or code, inner host, run comments or API request, incur billing, revoke, delete the token from AI Studio. Let's see, let's do it. Okay, guys, I'll have 3 more minutes today to stay on. I'm just changing my authentication key. Let's do it now, so it's fast as possible. API key May 25. Where is that one? It's already late for me. It is a notification token after you redirected me when I was logging in into anti-gravity. Where do I find that token, and how do I remove that? Oh my god. Yeah, I am already having 3 hours and a half of streaming. So yeah, I'm going to rest a little bit and tomorrow do more things. Yeah, exactly. I think so. Thank you for being here. I will look onto your project, and hopefully you'll be here as well next week on Monday. Thank you so much, guys. Um, I'll show you the progress on Monday. Hopefully we'll do some great project. Some project updates until Monday. So see you guys then. Thank you so much, and see you on Monday. I do, but on weekends I don't do. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's talk on Discord. Maybe we can do something, and it will be perfect. So we are already start getting a community there. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.